Bonjour, POMEC, as we saw in the P&L chapter, I will put the link in the description, means operations, maintenance and energy cost, more commonly called maintenance or engineering. There, obviously, there is no income and only expenses. Certain expenses are linked to the occupancy rate, but without following a purely professional rule. Take electricity, for example. A 5% increase in occupancy does not increase your electricity bill by 5%, because the consumption for lighting in common area and air conditioning will not change much with an increase in occupancy. On the other hand, your consumption per customer will decrease because the consumption of air conditioning for 1 or 100 customers is generally the same, but divided the bill by 1 or by 100 does not have the same result. It is therefore sometimes difficult to assess energy consumption a year in advance. The same goes for gas and water consumption, even if water is slightly more linked to the occupancy rate. This department will also be the subject of particular attention from the owner because these are major expenses. In the next video, we will see the presentation of the budget.